don't hear what you talk. Oh, I hear what you talk. Ugu, I beg. Make you know they do the husband.
Landlady, everything where she dey talk, I know do one. No single one where she talk with me I do. Landlady, check out now. Check me now, lady. See me now. I be single girl. When me want marry. I don't feel do that kind where she dey talk. Now young guy will get money when me go feel marry. Not be for me to date one small person husband.
Also, give me. This is how you do like this. Me wait. Who be the person when you do hand like this? Respect yourself.
Now Chris they worry you.
Yeah, she did. You don't do, eh? Ugu, I beg, I tell God beg you. Eh? If not for anything, just do it for me, eh? For peace to reign. We all want peace. Or you know want peace.
Eh? Landlady, this way they talk, I know do am.
Wait,
I know do am. I dey lie.
Now wait, make I see, eh? If you see the husband, they come. You know, say God created you very, very well. Eh? He gave you both back and front. He shaped you. In fact, God created you on Sunday. But what you go do for me, be say, if you see the husband, they come like this, I bet no, they turn your back for him. Just maybe by your side, give am side, make him just pass. If you walk pass, then you go continue your journey. May peace for it. I beg.
Landlady, this way you talk now, no enter. Why you go tell us where you stand? Make him there like this. If he stand like this, my husband from here go dey see. If he there like this, na the same thing. If he stand like this, na the same thing. No place where he go stand where my husband no go stand. The best thing make she come out because I know wetin I suffer before I get that my husband. I no go take eyes any person wey go just collect that one from me. I know wetin I suffer. To get husband for this country now, the thing they had. Please, I no want to make person collect thing from you. I know wetin they talk. If not to pass that, I go pay you her house rent. Any amount when you mention, I go just give you. Make she just kukuma carry her wahala, carry her big nurse for nothing. This whether I don't know whether her phone she carry back here. Make she carry this thing, they leave this house. Make she, if she knows we go there in peace, make she leave this house. Landlady, as I dey me and as I dey talk, I don't want her again. I don't want make she collect me.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Stupid girl. Keep quiet.
Who you call stupid girl?
Now Chris they worry you.
You don't fit anything.
Now Chris they worry you. You dey craze. You dey craze. Put her down. Put her down. Put her down.
You don't fit. I say you don't fit.
You dey craze.
You don't go fit do anything. You don't go fit do anything. Now me dey tell you. Hey, see landlady, man tell you. As I dey now, God don't bless me, JJ. And that blessing where Him bless me, I don't lose God at all. You see me so to marry for this country now one kind of God just as a small witch, God not even look at. He give me a husband like that. But people when you talk say they're tall, they're big, they carry, they even carry phone, put for nyash, carry breast, carry everything, they never marry. God just bless me, JJ with husband. I know not ordinary husband for that matter, but a barrister, customer, a barrister, big one for that matter. So I know all the scars. If you know what you go tell this girl, tell her me I don't leave. I don't tell
you. Come on, get away, get away.
Go to her.
Idiot. Stupid girl, come on this number. You see, I will break him with two. I will break him. See, I will break him to she the grace. What this small girl?
Who is that idiot? Who is the person?
Papa, no get so.
Hey!
Sorry.
Gorilla, you pour me water.
Mistake.
Water no be say ordinary water. Meaning the says so as a baroka. Give me baptism. Now from my own house.
Mistake.
No be even say na ordinary water. Na water from your mouth.
Yeah.
You take pour me the whole landlord of this emeritus. Landlord of that matter. You are leaving this compound today.
I beg, Baba.
You are leaving this compound today.
Baba.
Baba.
Don't worry. Shaggy Alpha.
Hey, Papa,
Compound.
Wetin dey happen? Why the noise up and down?
imagine, in my own house. Is this boy supposed to brush in the front of the house? I was coming out. Water Ojina says that the water when you take the wash it in carry and pour for my head. Dear man, baptism by fire.
Shaggy, follow me talk. Make me understand. Wetin happen? Wetin really happen?
Say Copper, Copper, they brush my teeth. I knew where Baba come from. Just pour water. Na mistake.
We make I hear you. Say pour water, be pour am acid. Which one? Ordinary water. Now make I dey shut up and down. Wetin
Waiting I not left my life and make person because say if he say be landlord, you go the intimidate person. Where be your room? Where be your frontage?
See my frontage, chopper.
I don't see any case so. Person wake up for morning. Then in front of him frontage, they brush it. Mistakenly you enter, water pour you for head. Come they feel like say he pour you acid. That will not be anything now. What be your problem, sef?
Kake na leather. Woke kake. Igbo tanana kankata wo kake she kam palalo. Kwa. Person dey person. Ngo wa lile na. Is he supposed to stay at the front of the compound to brush? What is hygiene? As old as you are, you went to school, you did not read hygiene. Toilet no dey here. Backyard no dey here. Bathroom no dey here. Didn't you people read my terms and terminology when you packed into this compound? Did you read anywhere where I talk say anybody will brush at any place? I gave you terms and terminology. I gave you terms and condition. I gave you people rules and regulation. Things that will guide everybody in this compound. Rather you choose to violate my law. You violate my law! You open your mouth to say whether an acid they pour me. You no go die better.
You see,
you no go die better.
Wait, look, observe this thing first. Let him be this. If not for anything, give me that respect. Now federal government property I be. No come they follow me talk anyhow. What was that one? Why could they insult me like that,
you,
now?
Federal government property. You be federal government cops.
Imagine.
It was the federal government.
See, my man still clear.
The carry cap give you and you in echo.
No.
They flunk pop. Because they wear your cap, it be federal nonsense.
You don't understand though. I go 3 weeks training. Me and Ami, we dig them out.
Yeah.
So that training still there inside me. No come bloody civilian. Like which level now? Bloody civilian up and down. Bloody civilian. Not try me. Not just try him.
Me and Ami dig them. How do you go lay grave? You need to go to back. How can you make the grave? How can you make the grave? Makachukuma gala didn't make grave. Give them you go camp. Ordinary 3 weeks. Guinea echo. Nabole nege. All these things we don't do them in the past.
Shaggy, you know my level now. You know my this one they flow me talking because I dey sad because I wear khaki.
Because you wear khaki. Ina ga ni ligin burumburu. Ina him burumburu. Ya hiwe. You are walking around
Shaggy,
your grave.
Shaggy, you believe my weight now?
I believe
no wahala. This man go feel am. No wahala. Landlord.
Go for your statement.
No, free matter first. It don't be. 2 weeks from now, you go hear them from federal government. You go receive letter. Better. No, voila. Shaggy. No one. No one.
Come back. Alpha, you don't
Shaggy, no wahala.
I mean, you only believe for
9 months, a wasted 9 months. I go hear from federal government. The only thing I will hear from your people will be a brozugo. That is the only thing I will hear in this compound. The only letter I will receive is letter from the people that will embalm you. They will enter this compound to come and carry your dead body out of this compound. Because I didn't remember renting house for you. I rented my house to that stupid idiot who came in here and give me all lies. You are from big brother elephantitis. Tata armed robbers come into my compound. Who in this life we don't know how this country be? You serve only 3 weeks. You go still see 1 year with you. After the 1 year, come out and get job, make I see you. Us, where we say we serve inside Sambisa for 10 good years. We came out, no job. Go and ask my story on a kole. With my certificate, I don't get work. My one lazy idiot. Every day, there for toilet. This week, you go shit inside your bedroom. You can wear starch, tiga na kake. Kake where we say don't be kake again, give starch, tiga, give me echo. You go here when my fucking
Hey, Baba.
me say get for shiggy na kwa baba akpogi shaggy. Akwa akpogi shaggy.
Balandi.
Don't worry.
No verse.
Don't worry. I go shandy you. Akwa shaggy. I may show tell shaggy is go to full shaggy na this compound.
Baba, I tell
For
you,
this water where you pour me. This water where you pour me.
Now, Baba.
Go continue to pour water in this compound till you die.
Ah!
That's
where. Hey, Balandi. Balandi.
Obi kwasam ibu na nyakai woye mbunobi kabiko bikwa dangbo woye kai woyo bi kwasam ibu na nya woye mbunobi kabebi bikwa dangbo lai woyo ko akuso bi lai akuso
I need to pee. Pee to the toilet.
Huh?
I need to pee to the toilet.
Come here. It is because of toilet. Because you want to poo-poo. Now you make you run, come inside my compound, come make me run like say I be tenant. Eh?
No, it will soon drop. It will soon drop. Oh.
It will soon drop.
Please, I need key.
Before it will drop, I must suffocate you.
You see, if fallopian tube don't on one side, if this thing don't, everything don't scatter, beg. Make him just go shit before I don't want to lose my husband, I beg. Give us key. Landlord, I beg.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.